Firstly, I'd like to express my deepest gratitude to Mr. Tofik. Thank you for giving me a chance to stand here and do my presentation today. And thank you guys for being here as well. I'm nothing without your helping hand and support. Thank you. Well, okay, to start with, I will do my presentation about Javan Rhino. Well, you know, we might already know that Javan Rhino is one of the best thing that we have in this country, Indonesia. And however, you know guys, what really happened with them recently? Anybody knows? Yeah, I got it. Extinction. So that's why I'm gonna tell you what's really going on with them, and I'm gonna tell you some points like, you know, the causes, the fact, and the solutions. Here we go. Okay, yeah. Javan Rhino is one of thousands of endangered species which is seriously being threatened for time being. And based on studies of Union Conservation of Nature, the population of Javan Rhino today is only 50 until 60 remaining. And the worst is, they have been listed as one of the most threatened animal in the world. Wow. Okay, let's move on. Okay, well, as you can see in the picture, Ujung Kulon National Park, has been the last habitat for this animal. Besides, it's also a place for Javan bull, tiger, and all kind of photos birds as well. And besides, UKNP or Ujung Kulon National Park for short, it's located on the west coast of Java Island. Yeah, you can see the picture there. And however, contrary to what people believe in common, Ujung Kulon National Park also has been a common place for the logging and hunting activities. Lots of things that the animal usually live on, like the trees, the plants, and other things like that, have disappeared. So it's not a surprise if the numbers of some animals there have gone down rapidly. Yeah, and especially for Javan Rhino, right? Okay. Apart from that, the hunting activities also still happening here. Wow, terrible. And then, mostly hunters go and hunt this animal just to take the horn. So what is it for? Can you guys guess?
Sell the horns?
Well, actually they take the horn in order to sell it as a traditional medicine or furniture and other things like that. In fact, they earn much money from that. Just so you know, the price of one horn can be about $3,000. Wow, can you imagine that, guys? And then, okay, in this case, the government and some private institutions should work hand in hand to put an end to this problem and find the best solution to this problem. Well, no less important, the government should make some new regulation system of animals watch. And in one hand, the private institution can make some recruitments for the natives. Perhaps they could be hired to work and help the researchers to find out about this animal's life and to explore the forest, other common things like that. And as the conclusion, we might already know the populations of Javan Rhino today is getting smaller and smaller day by day. And that's because of some problems like illegal logging and hunting activities and other bad things like that. And in one hand, some private institutions with some government, they are still trying to give a bigger chance for them to survive. So what can we do? We don't need to be Superman to save the rhinos from the hunters, and we don't even need to bring them some food to the forest. So what can you guys do? Actually, by telling and informing some people why the existence of this animal really significant, we can give them little hope to survive. So, yeah, I know that some changes won't happen in a night. At least things are slowly getting better. Yeah, I think that's all. And thank you for attention.